Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got some work coming up here. We got a fifth wheel toy hauler to move tomorrow, and then I got a travel trailer. I'm going to use the 604. Anyway, so I built for because last year I moved a fifth wheel, and the area was quite muddy. I ended up slinging a decent amount of mud on the guy's fifth wheel. Super nice guy, didn't care, but I'm not going to get that lucky probably a second time. So I Googled around, YouTubed around, and basically copied what other people have done. There are options out there called Rock Tamers. There's a few other major brands out there, but I'm like, at $400, I'm like, that's a little bit much. So basically this is just a, it's about 1/4 inch thick. I think it's about 2x2 angle iron. These are, I just bought these over at Napa. They are 24 by like 36. See what this sticker says. Yep, by 36. And I just put them obviously sideways and long because I wanted as much coverage as I could get because at the moment I don't have mud flaps. So this will protect it from mud and everything else. And I have them sticking out past far enough that it will catch anything. Probably about 3 to 6 inches past the bumper on both sides. I believe this was about 70... about a 6-foot piece, about 72, 73 inches long, a piece of scrap I had. And I just attached it to the receiver hitch with the U-bolt. This goes around, bolts in there. I did have to move my 7-pin plug because I originally had it mounted under the bumper. So I had to drill a really big hole in my bumper and mount it in there. This is what it is. But I might end up trimming these. The truck's not sitting on perfectly level ground, so they touch just a little bit. With the receiver hitch, I don't have like a anti-rattle on it, so they will bounce. It will shake a little bit. So it'll be tomorrow will be the first use for them, more or less. But yeah, just a quick video on something I built. And then I see a lot of people, the only thing different I did is I see a lot of people just kind of like run the bolt through into the material. I ended up putting a, I don't know what this is, maybe 1/8 inch or less, flat stock. And it runs the whole length, all the way across, so the material is bolted in between. Well, obviously it's through, but it's sandwiched, so hopefully that makes them last a little longer. That's how I see them anyways on the semi trucks. But just want to throw a quick video out there for that. Let's try and get a video or something maybe of this camper I'm moving. Catch you guys later.